Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bigger Than Race, exposure to all things truth, whether you like it or not, with unique perspectives from different beings from all walks of life. This is Bigger Than Race. Investigate truth on your own terms.
Amazing technology, but our future as a species depends on our ability to continue to innovate. We need a way to enable and incentivize collaboration in R&D, prototyping, manufacturing, and commercialization of advanced technology. To this end, we had a key insight. How to innovate is just as important as what we innovate on. Introducing our Open Innovation Blockchain Project, Cambria. Cambria aims to eliminate waste and efficiency in today's innovation model via open innovation protocols spanning three areas: governance, attribution, and IP protection. Cambria also offers core services for all its verticals and platform users. Our initial focus is robotics and AI, where we have proven our value. This industry has $1 trillion potential and is ripe for reinvention. We're building a developer community by establishing innovation labs around the world and expanding partnership with existing open source projects. We're strengthening our business partnership to help corporations augment their existing services and co-develop advanced technology to tackle new markets. Together, we can build an ecosystem to facilitate the development and adoption of frontier technology and provide value to billions of people across the world.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Bigger Than Race. You know who this is. This is your boy Brando, and we are bringing you another hidden gem, as we always do every month. Cambria. We've spoken about Cambria in the past. It was one of our top AI picks. But as we know, sometimes things go unseen, and I have to bring it back to your attention in a deep dive video. So hopefully many of you can see this video. Now, Cambria is an open innovation ecosystem. Cambria is an open innovation platform for deep tech, AI, robotics, blockchain, VR, AR, IoT via their platform with NFT, IP marketplaces, and DAOs. Anyone can collaborate in researching, developing, and commercializing deep tech solutions and get rewarded fairly for their contributions. Through partnerships with government agencies, top universities, and leading companies, Cambria is dedicated to building a sustainable open innovation ecosystem to change the way we innovate and to accelerate advanced technology development and industry adoption. Together, let's shape the future of technology, where technology is open and contributing more to society. Now you can see here they have the Cambria Starter Program, Tokenomics, the Project Portfolio, Cambria DAOs, the NFT IP Open Innovation Hub. We're going to dive right into this. The Starter Program with Solution Challenges. This brings together solution seekers and innovators to develop the deep tech solutions, starting with solution challenges on their platform. Now they have a project portfolio. We're going to go dive into all of this. Cambria Project Portfolio aims to evolve into a repository of technology information, listing deep tech projects to help connect them with collaboration opportunities in the Cambria ecosystem. Now, doing my deep dive researching, I've been finding Cambria even in the midst of some games. Now, first, let's take a deep look into the Open Innovation Hub. Cambria Open Innovation Hub is a growing global network which encompasses developers, innovation sponsors, governments, and incubation partners, partnered R&D labs and universities, partnered projects, experts. Okay. Basically, this is a diagram giving the percentage of how many of what is involved within this Open Innovation Hub. You have 558 software developers, 4,000 plus students, 460 AI researchers, 962 AI engineers, 1,100 full stack developers, 1,800 software engineers. So they're doing some big stuff. Okay. Now, these are some of the partnerships that they have embedded with this Open Innovation Hub. And you know how I operate, 6 degrees of separation. These companies are going to lead to other companies, which lead to other partnerships, which show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. And that's only if you investigate truth on your own terms. Now, you see they have Viat AI, Job Help, GDG, Mia AI, SDNest, YNest, Viblo, Product School, Cinnamon AI, Silicon Valley Robotics, Think Zone, Co-working Space, Decentralized AI Alliance. A lot of AI initiatives and companies, and especially some of these companies are in Vietnam. Now, just to show you a little bit, let's touch on Silicon Valley robotics real quick. This is us just doing a little 6 degrees of separation as we discover the close connections and what exactly they have going on. Waiting for this website to load up. Let's see. Let's check this one. So while the Silicon Valley is loading up, let's just go to the next partnership, Viat AI, Vietnam AI, building a community of world-class AI talent in Vietnam. Remember how I always speak to you about the emerging countries in regard to the emerging technology. These cats are building, moving fast at a rapid rate, doing it at a high level. Now, you see here, Cambria is right here, fueling the AI and robotics future. That's pretty big, guys. Really, really big. So these are some of the people that speak highly of Viet AI, Vietnam AI. Just trans Viet Sun. This Viet AI class has really helped me build that much needed intuition, which will enable me to independently develop my knowledge and skill set further. I'm very impressed. I am beyond grateful to receive Viet AI Female Scholarship. So what they do, they're a nonprofit organization with the mission of nurturing AI talents and building a community of world-class AI experts in Vietnam. So this is the top of the top, best of the best, cream of the crop. As they always say, the cream rises to the top. These individuals happen to be the cream of the crop in Vietnam. So they teach, research, collaborate, and engage. Now, their vision is to innovate, to put Vietnam on the AI world map, foster a collaborative AI community dedicated to making positive impacts, unlock the potentials of future AI leaders and technologists in Vietnam. Now, their team is founders Thang Luong, staff research scientist, Google Brain PhD in computer science, Stanford University. Also, we have Tak Vu, founder and CEO, OmniLab, Cambria PhD in computer science, Stanford University. They have a couple other individuals as well. An Pan, serial entrepreneur. Many people. If you look, list goes on and on. Researchers, PhD candidates, lecturers, AI specialist, VPS securities, AI machine learning engineer, natural language processing engineer. Big deals. If you're looking to volunteer over there, you can go ahead and do so. But this is what the Vietnam AI is doing. Some of the best that come together and make magic. Now, you can get involved. You can come over here and join them, and you can learn from AI experts and things of that nature. You can also speak at an event. So you can come over here and do a little more research and digging for yourself. But let's get back to Silicon Valley Robotics. All right, here it is. Silicon Valley Robotics, supporting innovation and commercialization of robotics technologies. Now remember, this is all under Cambria chain. Okay. Now about Silicon Valley Robotics is the largest cluster of robotics and AI technology innovation and investment in the world. We are a non-profit organization started by the robotics and AI industry to support the emerging new robotics and AI industry, including agriculture, medical, social, retail, logistical, transport, and space robotics networks. Now, they're winning, awards and things of that nature. Good robot awards. This is the biggest, ladies and gentlemen, and it is in bed with Cambria chain, hidden in plain sight. Now, they have a couple events coming up here within the next 34 days. But this is huge. Silicon Valley Robotics supports women in robotics, black in robotics, collab educational program and roboticists in residence. Your donation can be directed to any or all of these. Okay, so you can come over here and actually give them some money if you believe in what they're doing. And, this is the best of the best. So it's a big deal. Silicon Valley Robotics is an opportunity to showcase some of the most innovative robotics in the world. And the underpinning technology is Cambria. Every startup needs access to resources like Silicon Valley Robotics to help fundraise and grow. Silicon Valley Robotics has the best network events in the Bay Area and the most up-to-date information about trends in robotics. It's a huge deal. How many people actually looked into this? You might not, because you may not have done the 6 degrees of separation. Now, these are some of the Silicon Valley Robotics sponsors. You have Fetch Robotics, Harmonic Drive, SRI International, Foxglove, Sensor Intelligence, Festo, Cruise Arm, Toyota Research Institute, Panasonic Ideas for Life. Now, with the 6 degrees of separation, we can go deep and deep and deep, and we'll just make it happen. Now, these are some of the latest events, features, members, and robotics news. They're talking about, astronauts that have already took flight in areas of space. So, it's funny that this stuff can be right here in front of our faces and we not know exactly what is taking place right underneath our nose. I'm going to show you also, not in this video, but I'm going to highlight and show you some things that's happening with a particular asset, and it's being utilized by none other than Apple. You have Pittsburgh Robotics, Mass Robotics. So this is a huge deal, guys. This is not a fly-by-night opportunity. Not a fly-by-night opportunity whatsoever. So that was a couple of the partnerships that we've looked at, but we also have some more: Auto City Software, Vietai International, Ori Chain, Omni Labs, Hashed. These are some of the venture funds, government and incubation partners. So you have the government here partnering with Cambria, Dragon Capital, Trust Star, Amplify Ventures. You have Stanford University, Carnegie Mellon, Topan Data Application Lab, Vin AI, Dutan University. I mean, guys, it's pretty a big deal. Partnered projects: Tomo Chain, Drep, Perlin, Arai Chain, which is partnered in 2 areas of this project, Crypto.com. And you have proof from Manuela Veloso, which is one of the top AI and robotics researchers in the game. Manuela Veloso is the Herbert A. Simon University professor in School of Computer Science at Carnegie Mellon University. She was the president of AAAI, Associations of the Advancement of Artificial Intelligence, until 2014, and the co-founder and a past president of the RoboCup Federation. She's a fellow of AAI, IEE, AAS, and ACM. She is an international expert in artificial intelligence and robotics. And you have more experts within this field that just keep on going and going and going. Some of the top VC advisors from Hashed, Vickers Fincher, Neo Global Capital, AU21, Outliers VC, VSV, Think Zone Ventures, Tag Ventures, and Gourmet Galaxy. Big deal. Now, a ride chain. Let's touch on a ride chain real quick as we continue to show you these 6 degrees of separations. This is an AI layer 1 for data economy and Oracle services. Now, we know that Cambria chain is dealing with AI and robotics, so that would make sense why they are dealing with a ride chain. Now, let's just look at this ride chain price really quick, because this is a crypto that you could purchase. I'm not saying that you should purchase it because it's at $2.11. But one that you should purchase is the token that I'm highlighting, which is at this price here. Circulating supply 1.5 billion, total supply 5 billion. Now, if you say you can't get any of this at this price, you just need to be not in crypto. Okay? So AI layer 1, AI oracles, decentralized data and AI, scale up with roll up, Cosmwasm IDE, Ethereum compatible. Now, this is the Arai chain ecosystem. Got all this good stuff here. Developers. So, also they're facilitating some games. So, GameFi, they have a section in GameFi, which is Kauai Island, which I do have some of that token. And then they also have Win Lambo, which is a game that I've never heard until now. So, yeah, pretty interesting. Okay, now let's go back to Cambria. Now we're going to move over to the project portfolio. Now, Cambria is a project itself, and it has its own portfolio, which aims to evolve into a repository of technology information, listing deep tech projects to help connect them with collaboration opportunities in Cambria ecosystem. Either it is investment, commercialization, partnership, or recruitment opportunities. Now, some of the projects here. You have Leo CDP, Trippintan, Mytheria, which is a top game incubated by not KuCoin, but incubated by Cardia Chain. Cardia Chain here, the ANCV, Bunny Coin, which is another hidden gem that I like. Actually, I need to put that on my to-do list. Number 2, let's go on the next page. Arai Chain, Namek, Fam Central, Farline, which is another game, My DeFi Pet, which is another top game. Both of those games are dope. Both of them are backed by Animoca brands. We have Bohodis, Vivi, Mochi, Rosian, which you know is a wizard pick, Twinchy, Bammy. Come on, guys, you can't lose with the stuff I use. We only bring you to the best. And it's up to you to see through the smoke. If you can't see through the smoke, you might need to get a smoke detector. Will NFT Voice Bot, which is a smart virtual switchboard applied in retail chains, automatically interact with customers by voice to receive orders and questions from customers. Come on, guys. Only bringing you the best of the best, right in your face, plain in sight. Knave Cat, in summary, they're targeting to build two things: a virtual world where users can freely interact and play games with other people in hardware, VR glasses, suits, etc. SocialJect. By using SocialJect website, the world of social projects is in your hands. You can search your favorite projects, apply for it, keep track of the activities, and connect. And we have Tobe. Order F&B at restaurants and hotels over a chatbot. Support human-like interaction through images, voice, and complex dialogue technology. All of this stuff is working in conjunction with each other, because you have Tobe and the voice bot, which pretty much are helping each other do what they do. And the chat, even this DTU CSE chatbot for the retail store, the customers activate chatbot by standing in front of them, and the customer will be identified simultaneously. All of this stuff is working in conjunction. So if you are owning the Cambria token, you are having a piece of all of this stuff that is working within this damn protocol. All of it is working together. This is what blockchain technology is affording us. It's affording us the opportunity to invest in the best of the best. Plain and simple. Now, here is the Cambria NFT IP program, which enables innovators to license, monetize, and protect their intellectual property. Powered by NFT, this marketplace is by developers and for developers. Innovators can earn license sales. You can also purchase IP license to develop inherited solutions without starting from scratch, therefore saving time and effort while developing products. Now, here's some of the NFT IP technology that is going on within Cambria. They have a COVID detection using AI to detect health abnormalities. You have a box detection, a warehouse anomaly detection solution. Let's see here if this is going to give us a little example of it. This is AI, ladies and gentlemen, in plain sight. So we can see our money is going to good use. AI ML training data, warehouse videos. In the AI ML training data doorknob noted image data sets. This is big. Big. So basically what they did here, NFTs can help increase transparency, which we know. So it looks like they did some stuff with MeBits. What is the IP management model of Cambria NFT IP? These articles could provide you with further details about the approach for IP management. So this is just more in-depth information that you can learn about their NFT IP program. But I've been doing a lot of research in Cambria, and I've just been more bullish and just been buying more. Now let's look at the tokenomics. What are Cambria tokens for? Cambria tokens are necessary for interactions in the Cambria ecosystem. Solution seekers issue and award deep tech challenges by NFT IP licenses. Innovators earn tokens for developing deep tech solutions. Manufacturers earn tokens through hardware production. Community members earn tokens by participating in DeFi activities or technology promotion work, referral, sharing, data contribution. Use tokens to purchase products or fundraise technologies. This is an ERC20 token, CAT, CAT smart contract. The CAT supply 5 billion, total burn 2.5 billion, new supply is 2.5 billion, and circulation is 1.3 billion. Okay, so that's pretty big for me. Once again, what are the tokens used for? Solution seekers, innovators, manufacturers, community members. By sharing data, contribution. So these tokens are going to be used. So it shows you the utility and why an asset would make sense to hold. So let's go to work, man. I think anybody who's smart should have this asset. Minimum 500,000, considering the price, but you can get 1 million as well. But get what you can afford. But I totally recommend it. The price is here. You could purchase this asset, Cambria, ticker symbol CAT, on marketplaces, exchanges like KuCoin, Hotbit. You can also get it on Uniswap or the Binance DEX. Ladies and gentlemen, you know who this is. This is your boy, Brando. Back again with another video bringing you Cambria chain. Investigate truth on your own terms.